In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bybit in Tradingview. This is a crucial step for traders who want to enhance their trading experience by integrating these two powerful platforms. Whether you're tracking market trends or executing trades, having Bybit linked to Tradingview can streamline your processes and help you make informed decisions. So let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to Tradingview. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in tradingview.com in the search bar. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, take a moment to appreciate the wide array of charts and data available, which are designed to assist traders like yourself. Next, locate and click on the feature known as Super Chart. This is an essential tool within Tradingview that provides advanced charting capabilities, giving you access to a plethora of data visualizations and analytical tools. Clicking on Superchart will open up a new window where you can start to map out and analyze your trading strategies more effectively. Now that you have the Superchart open, look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll find the trading panel. This panel is your gateway to connecting with various brokers and executing trades directly from Tradingview. Click on the trading panel and you'll see a list of available broker connections. In this list, you'll find an option labeled Show All Brokers. Click on this link to expand the list and reveal all the broker options available to you through Tradingview. This is where you can connect your account with a wide range of brokers and enhance your trading versatility. Scroll through the comprehensive list of brokers until you find Bybit. Bybit is a widely used platform for trading cryptocurrencies, and when connected with Tradingview, it can significantly enhance your trading experience. Once you've located Bybit in the list, you'll be ready for the next step. Go ahead and click on the Bybit option. This will prompt a connect button to appear, offering you the opportunity to link your Bybit account directly with Tradingview. Follow any additional on-screen instructions, if necessary, to complete the connection process. Depending on your browser and security settings, you might need to authorize the connection, but it's a straightforward process. Once connected, you'll notice a seamless integration between Bybit's trading capabilities and Tradingview's analytical tools. This connection allows you to manage your trades more efficiently, observe real-time market data, and make more informed trading decisions all within a single interface. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Bybit with Tradingview. By integrating these two platforms, you've unlocked a powerful toolset for monitoring and executing your trades. From here, you can start exploring the various features and optimizations this connection offers. Thank you for watching and happy trading.